My name is Eleanor. I live in Ocean Township, New Jersey. And Dr. Chern did my shoulder replacement. Well, I've had other surgeries, so I know pain level when I see it. But the shoulder was bothering me, and I tried to ignore it. And it got to the point where I realized I shouldn't ignore it any longer. So I spoke to my doctor, my family physician, and she suggested I also come and have it done. And so I found Dr. Chern and made an appointment to see him.
Okay.
And we did some, shot in the shoulder or something. It didn't last very long, so I said, well, this is ridiculous, so might as well get it done. Well, I talked to my family physician, and we suggested this, and I found some information, and I looked over and decided who I could get an appointment with, and he was highly recommended. And I did see him in a magazine about the doctors, top doctors in New Jersey, and I said, well, let me see if I can find him. Well, they were all very knowledgeable, and they seemed to know what to do. And, you know, they'd say, this might bother you, but we'll see. And, you know, and when you got done, you always had an ice pack put on your shoulder for a while before I left. That was good. So it went very smoothly. Well, kind of do some homework and then listen to your doctor. And you make your own decision, no matter what they say. I mean, you have to decide what you want to live with.